Make money online with Fiverr. A step-by-step guide for beginners when it comes to freelancing. Fiverr steamrolls all other freelancing marketplaces such as Upwork, 99 Designs and People Per Hour, etc. This is something I've heard from other freelancers and I can attest to that personally as well. In my first month on Fiverr, I earned $50 revenue and soon enough, it became my primary earning source. However, here's the sad truth about Fiverr: at times, you never get an order for days, and then there are days when you receive orders as big as $300 for a gig. Often there seems to be no rhyme or reason to the platform and all your assumptions and calculations go out of the window. But what if there was a certain way to start getting sales? What if there were some proven and time-tested tricks to get that first order that brings many more to you? Forget the motivational and inspirational talk and high philosophy and let the real tricks of the trade show you the true north. Here are some proven methods to grow your brand on Fiverr and make a good, recurring income out of it. Alright, let us get to the basics first. Making an account on Fiverr is not a big deal and you can even log in with your Google or Facebook account. Yet, there is something important to discuss here. When you want to continue with Google or Facebook, it takes your real name from your Google account or Facebook ID, and most of the people make mistake here and opt for that particular name. This is not an issue in case you want to use your real name as a brand, we'll get to it in a jiffy, but in case where you want to run an account under a company or agency name, or where you want to use some pseudonym, you better stop for a moment and insert the proper name. If that name is still not taken, Fiverr will let you have it. You must know this secret if you've been shedding your blood and sweat on Upwork, to no avail, that companies and individual customers specifically mention and prefer individual freelancers over so-called agencies or companies. Why? Here's why. They are cunning enough to learn that many agencies outsource their highly paid work to underpaid and substandard freelancers, and as a result, the $50 logo looks like a $10 one. So make sure that your profile is under your own name or even a pseudonym, with your real and professional photo. Since we are talking about profile names and personal branding, it is very important to talk about a certain trend among Pakistani freelancers. That is using VPN or RDP to make US or UK accounts under native names. Well, in all honesty, the buyer behavior on Fiverr is somewhat biased towards non-native freelancers, especially those who are from subcontinent, but I can still show you a lot of Pakistanis and Indians on Fiverr who run their accounts under real names and with real profile photos, and guess what? They are not only successful, but some of them rose to the standard where they were picked by Fiverr to represent Fiverr community in their respective countries. Pakistan has got two of these supersellers, Ali Yan Chowdhury and Numan Saeed. Yet, if you feel like you can perform better and easily blend in with a native English speaker name, go for a pseudonym. It is not a violation of Fiverr rules as long as you do not change the proxy settings and thus maliciously change your location.